Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about how to filter the data in SQL. So let's say you have an object, uh, for example, in my case here, I have a sales table, and if I execute everything from the sales table, if I look at everything, select all from sales, I have all these departments. There's IT, HR, finance, marketing department, and employee name, amount, their sales, and then sell date and month, right? So there's all this is pretty much a raw data, right? So this is not going to be helpful for the reporting purpose, right? For passing into the other departments for reporting purposes. That's not much helpful. So in this case, for example, if I want to filter, I don't want to see everything. For example, your boss or someone in your team wants you to, hey, can you give me the sales of the HR, including the IT and finance, or something like that, right? So in that case, you're going to filter entire data set with the department, right? You want to filter for IT, HR, and finance, and so on, right? So let's say, for example, your HR department emails you and says, hey, can you send me the HR sales for the month of January? Then you're going to say, sure, right now. How do you do that? So let's do select all from sales. Now you want to filter. That's where the key comes in play, right? So where, this is how you filter in SQL. Where do you want to filter? Where what? Where department, right? Where department. Okay, department. Select that department. You want to, let's say it's department, you want to select two department. One is IT and the other one is HR. Okay, so department in is a keyword. When you have more than one, then you utilize in keyword. Okay, in keyword, and open and close parentheses, and in here you want to pass in those departments. So what are the departments you want to filter? You want to filter, one is IT and the other one is HR. So your team member or your boss wants you to send me the sales for these two departments, and then for the month of January. Okay, they're asking for January. Then you're going to say we're department in these two categories, and you want the sale. Oops, let's sale month equals single quote and then Jan, because sale month you want Jan, right? That's the requirement, right? So the requirement is send them the total sales for IT and HR for January. That's the requirement. Okay, so now I'm going to execute this command. I don't have to highlight. I can select just because the other stuff on my screen is commented out, which means the SQL server is going to ignore those commented lines, like these two lines, two lines, two lines is going to be ignored because they are comments in SQL. And it's even same with this one. See, I have a two lines here. That means this is a comment, which is another way of writing a note. Okay, so let me execute there. There you go. And now I got the department IT and HR, and I can also do better viewing. I'm gonna do, you know what? Let me do this one. I'm gonna do order by. Okay, order by always comes in handy when you want to order by department. Okay, order by department. That will order your results set, so it's so that IT is all over the place, HR is all over the place. I don't want that. I want them to be, IT to be together, HR to be together. That's what the sorting will do. Now let's execute. See, HR is together, IT is together now. So it's better, right? So obviously it's better looking now. And for the month of January, see, this is all the sales for these two departments for the month of January. And this is what you're going to send it to your boss, saying, "Hey, boss, here you go. This is your requirement, and I have it for you. So no worries, right?" That's all you do. So this is what the filter does, and you can filter multiple items here. That's what the in operator does. You can even bring in other departments if you want to, or you can get rid of this department if you don't want to. Okay, so it's going to work, and it's going to do another filter, and you can keep going. And month is this, right? And employee name is this, and sale date is this, a specific date, right? If you have multiple filters, you can do each one by using the AND operator, or you can also use OR operator, one of the other, right? Other conditions satisfying. There's a OR, right? That you can also use. So that's what the filter does. This is the filtering, right? So before we had 26 records, now using this filter, we are only getting, let's see how we're only getting 5 records. Okay, this is how you utilize the filter in SQL. Very handy, and this being used a lot in SQL. Again, hopefully this helps. Thanks again for watching my video here, and please like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks again watching, and you have a great day.